Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1972 Ford F100. Very nice restored truck here at Skyway Classics, featuring a brown exterior, US mag fresh wheels on it. Going into the interior now, as you can see, we have a little bit of a tan and brown combination. Very comfortable bench seat to hold 3 or 4 people. You also see it's an automatic on the column. As you can see, it has the stock gauges, the stock steering wheel, which are working horn. One of the little things there you see is the aftermarket radio with the Sirius XM quote. And one of the cool things I want to point out about this truck is this little switch down here underneath the dash, which can control the sound of the exhaust. So if you have a very rough community you live in, where people don't like the sound of a nice truck, this is definitely the one for you. Going underneath the hood now, featuring a 360 block. Very nice, very healthy. In fact, before we make this turn, we can show you a little bit of a brake test. Perfectly straight, no traffic in our way. And let's open her up a little bit. And as you can hear right there, I just flipped the switch, so now you can hear how mean the sound is coming out the back. But it's a little bit of a classic truck, but a sleeper at the same time. But as for now though, we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.